There's something really special about WPA. We are a multi-ethnic church. We have over 40 nations worshiping here at our church. And there's also 40 different languages that are spoken in our congregation. And so it feels almost like the United Nations. Everybody gathers together in a spirit of unity. My name is Chris Patieth. I'm the lead pastor here at Waterloo Pentecostal Assembly in Waterloo, Ontario, Canada. In thinking about the renovation here at Waterloo Pentecostal Assembly, I immediately went back into the past and was tracking Paragon 360 for many years, wondering if there would be a day where I'd be able to partner with Paragon to renovate a church. It's kind of a dream of mine. But that dream became a reality. We looked at architects locally, we looked at companies that could do parts of the project, but because we were looking for one company to do everything, immediately we contacted Paragon 360 and we started a conversation about what it might look like for them to come to Canada. There were natural hesitations due to Paragon being in the US. Of course, the US dollar and its comparison to the Canadian dollar and the fluctuations and the rates and the economy. But we were open to exploring what it could look like because Paragon had the expertise in the field to do this kind of renovation of this caliber. We're a Pentecostal church here in Waterloo. We're a Canadian context, and I still felt that Paragon was able to partner with us because they cared about the church as an individual church. They cared about our vision, who we are, and they took time to actually study that and to have an understanding of our priorities. And so when it came to designing our sanctuary, they knew what our heart was. We had a major lighting issue. We wanted to improve the lighting in the sanctuary. We also wanted to upgrade our sound system, and so they made improvements in that area. We also made a scenic change. We wanted to have this 360 feel of what it means to be in this space and to worship. We didn't just want a platform change, we wanted a everything sort of change. We really believe Paragon delivered everything they said they would do. They communicated well with us. They worked with our timelines. Even though we're in another country, miles away from each other, it was really fruitful to see Paragon come all that distance and help us realize our dreams here at WPA. If you're curious about using Paragon and their services, I really believe that you're looking for a company who can give you guidance and wisdom on all aspects of a sanctuary renovation. There are several people out there who can do parts of a project. You can subcontract that to many different people, but it's hard to have a cohesive vision about a starting point and an ending point. And Paragon was able to walk us through that entire process, and the pictures and the schematics and everything were exactly what they said they would be. I feel really honored and amazed that I get to pastor a church that is, first of all, wonderful. The people are amazing. But a church that looks like this, a church that is modern and up to date, a church that is able to reach out into its community and welcome those who are far from Christ and bring them to Christ and lead them to Christ in this place. And we know that the future is bright because in this place, the people will come to know Jesus Christ as Savior.